Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about DJI's latest beginner drone, the DJI Neo 2, and how it stacks up against the original DJI Neo. The first Neo was already a favorite for beginners, but DJI decided to take things up a notch. So, is the Neo 2 really worth the upgrade, or should you stick with the first one? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. At first glance, both drones look pretty similar. Small, lightweight, and super easy to carry around. But when you hold the Neo 2, it immediately feels a bit more refined. It's made with slightly better materials, giving it a sturdier feel without adding much weight. The Neo 2 is just a few grams heavier, but still light enough that you don't have to worry about registration in most places. It's the kind of drone that feels solid yet friendly, clearly made for people who are still learning the ropes but want something that feels premium. The biggest improvement, without a doubt, is the camera. The first DJI Neo could shoot decent 4K footage, good enough for social media or casual shots. But the Neo 2 takes it up a level. It has a larger sensor, which means sharper details, richer colors, and way better results in low light. You can now record in 4K at 60 frames per second, and even get smooth slow-motion clips that just weren't possible before. DJI has also worked on improving color processing, so your videos look more vibrant right out of the camera without needing a ton of editing. When it comes to stability, the Neo 2 has made some smart changes. The older model relied on a basic mechanical gimbal, which did a decent job, but the new version combines both mechanical and electronic stabilization. The result is smoother footage, even when there's a little wind or sudden movement. It's impressive for a drone this size and price range. DJI also packed in some of its smarter shooting features. The Neo 2 can track people or objects automatically, keeping them in frame while flying smoothly around them. You can set it to circle a subject, follow a moving person, or even create cinematic effects with just a tap. It's like having an invisible camera crew following your every move, something the first Neo couldn't quite do as well. Safety and flight performance have also received a big upgrade. The new Neo 2 has sensors all around, meaning it can detect and avoid obstacles in multiple directions, giving beginners a lot more confidence to fly in tight spaces. The first Neo could only sense what was below it, so this is a huge step forward. On top of that, it's faster, handles wind better, and has a much stronger connection thanks to DJI's new transmission system. You can fly farther, up to 10 kilometers, and still get a stable live feed with almost no delay. Battery life is roughly the same as before, lasting around 19 minutes per charge, but this time the battery is removable and charges much faster through USB-C. That's a small but very welcome change, especially for people who travel or film a lot outdoors. When it comes to pricing, the Neo 2 is positioned as a solid upgrade without being too expensive. It starts at around $259 for the basic kit, while the original Neo is a little cheaper at about $199. There are combo options available for both that include extra batteries and accessories, but overall, the Neo 2 gives you way more value for the jump in price. In short, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just a small update, it's a proper evolution. It's sharper, smarter, and much more fun to use. The original Neo is still great for absolute beginners who just want something simple and affordable, but the Neo 2 feels like the natural next step if you want to get creative with your shots or start building content. So what do you think? Would you go for the classic DJI Neo or upgrade to the Neo 2 for those extra features and better footage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest drones and gadgets.